Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a wonderful day, children. By the way, I am teacher Hasmin Inmabani from Marawi Central Elementary Pilot School, Central District, Marawi City Division. Today, enjoy and join me explore the Quarter 1, Week 3 of Mathematics 5, the Order of Operations.
But before we proceed, let's have a drill first. Perform the following expressions as fast as you can. Number 1. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Good. Number 2. 3 times 6 equals 18. Very good. Number 3. 15 minus 7 equals 8. Great. Number 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Fantastic. Number 5. 14 minus 7 plus 6 equals 13. Excellent. Let's now proceed to the order of operations, the PEMDAS or GEMDAS.
But before that, can you tell me the 4 fundamental operations of mathematics? Yes, they are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But do you know which one to perform first when there is more than one operation in an expression? Let's try and solve this problem.
Muammar and Karim are both working on the value of the expression 4 plus 3 times 2 minus 6 divided by 2. However, they have different answers. Muammar answered 4 while Karim answered 7. Of the two, who answered correctly?
So who got the correct answer? And how did he get it? Yes, when there is more than one operation in a mathematical expressions, you must follow the order of operations, the MDAS and PEMDAS rule.
Let's explore. In a series of operations without grouping symbols, multiplication and division are performed first from left to right, followed by addition and subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. And this is now what we call the MDAS rule. M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Thus, to solve the expression 4 plus 3 times 2 minus 6 divided by 2 from the previous problem, we are going to do first the M and D, or the multiplication and division from left to right. Hence, simplifying 3 times 2 and 6 divided by 2, so we have 4 plus 6 minus 3. And then, the A and D for addition and subtraction from left to right. As a result, we have 4 plus 6 minus 3 is equal to 7. Therefore, Karim got the correct answer.
How about an expression having a series of operations with parentheses and grouping symbols? Just like this.
What number will result if you add 9 and 11 and then multiply the sum by 3? So, the mathematical sentence for this problem is this. So, what do you think is the answer? Let's find out.
A series of operations which also involve parentheses or grouping symbols in an expressions, the following rules can be used. And this is what we call the PEMDAS or GEMDAS rule.
If there are expressions in parentheses or in grouping symbols, do them first. Next, multiply or divide from left to right. And finally, add or subtract from left to right. To solve the expression in the previous problem, applying the rule, the PEMDAS rule, we will simplify first the expression inside the parenthesis. That is 9 plus 11, and then multiply the sum by 3, so we will have 20 times 3 is equal to 60. Therefore, the final answer is 60. Another example. Simplify 25 minus 10 divided by the difference of 6 minus 4 times 3 plus 2. So what rule are we going to follow? Will it be the MDAS or the PEMDAS? Yes, since there is a parenthesis or grouping symbol, we will follow the PEMDAS rule. First, simplify what's inside the parenthesis. Thus, we have 25 minus 10 divided by 2 times 3 plus 2. Next, multiply or divide whichever comes first. Since division comes first before multiplication, we will do the division first before we multiply. So we now have 25 minus 5 times 3 plus 2. So this is now the time to multiply 5 times 3 to have 25 minus 15 plus 2. And finally, do the addition or subtraction whichever comes first. Hence, we have 10 plus 2 is equal to 12.
Okay, so this is what we are going to remember always. The PEMDAS or GYMDAS rule for order of operations states that do the operation in the parenthesis first, next, multiply or divide before adding or subtracting. And always remember that we are going to start from left to right in performing the operations.
Now, can you try this? Simplify the following expressions. Excellent! The answers are
And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.